Hello and welcome back. Today I wanted to film a fun spring look with the Lizzie McGuire palette. It's a peach and lavender look. Starting out by priming the eyelids. Going in first with the lavender shade all through the crease. Should you go through the crease with a metallic? Probably not. I never have issues with it. I've heard you're not supposed to because it'll crease, but whatever. Using a peachy pink all over the lid and blending it back into the lavender for a smooth transition. These are two of my favorite colors, and these shadows are so smooth and blend perfectly together. Highlighting the brow bone. I also use this as a highlight for my cheekbones later. It's so shiny. Adding more lavender to define the crease shape. On to the next eye. ColourPop knows what they're doing with eyeshadow. So good. This shadow goes from being a peachy pink to a shift with a pinky golden tone. Priming my face with a sticky primer so my makeup stays in place all day. I always let this primer sit for a minute to let it start drying down. That's when it gets sticky. I'm mixing the concealers to get my right shade. Between concealer and foundation, I let the concealer sit for a minute to dry down so it doesn't move once I start applying the foundation and stays full coverage. Finishing the rest of my base makeup with e.l.f. Halo Glow and my favorite foundation. Mixing them thins out the foundation some, but also adds a glow and more skin-like finish. Setting my under eyes and T-zone heavier to prevent creasing and to minimize getting too oily. Then lightly setting the rest of my face. Framing the bottom lash line with the lid shades. A pop of highlight. Bronzing up the perimeters of my face and the sides of my nose to warm up my face. Adding a bunch of the darker pink blush from the collection. Highlighting with this eyeshadow, it makes the prettiest highlight shade. Melt down the powders. Filling in and defining my brows so they match my actual root color. Setting my brows in place with a brow wax. Lining and tight lining in black to define the eyes and make them the focus of attention. Finishing off the eyes with mascara. This is honestly the best one I've ever used. Lining and filling in the whole lip with a darker nude liner. Topping the lip liner with the Ethan Craft gloss. It's minty and plumping. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, follow my socials, link in bio.